All right, let's talk about how to save money without budgeting. People ask me a lot. They're like, okay, if you don't believe in budgeting, then how do I save money? First off, I believe in living below your means. People who don't do that, I don't really understand it. I'm not shaming you if you've done that. I just don't fully get it. Like, if you can't afford things, don't buy them. Now, if you're investing in something that could potentially make you a lot more money, or a course, or a skill, that makes sense. But you want to get your return back within at least like 90 days on something like that. When it comes to savings, this is the simplest way that I've found, because budgeting, if you're here and you're like, hey, I've budgeted, it worked for me. Great, you're an anomaly. If budgeting worked, we'd have a bunch more rich people in the world. What works is having an automatic savings plan set up so that money gets taken from your account every single month without you having to think about it. So for the last, I think at least 3 years, 3.5 years, I have $3,000 a month that just goes out to an account. I don't touch it. I don't think about it. It's just gone. Then I have my other systems in place, but I know that at least 3,000 a month is just boom, gone. I can't touch it. So what that means is it's not in your account. It's not money that you can see. Because it's just going all the time, you'd learn to live on whatever it is that you have left over. If it's $100 for you, for wherever you're at right now, a great rule is 10%. Now for me, that's less than 10% for where I'm at now, but I find that that works really well for me. It's just simple. I've had it in place for quite a long time. But if you can get 10% of your income before taxes just pushed aside, it's going to work way better than trying to budget. Budgeting makes you feel bad. So many people that budget, they don't seem happy, right? They're not happy. Like, I'm just following my budget and I feel so excited by it. People are always stressed about it, which what that does is it causes scarcity around money. If you're constantly thinking about how little money you have, you're sending a signal to yourself, to your mind, to the universe, that money is a scarce resource and that there's not enough of it. That is going to cost you more in the long run than it's going to save you to have this budget. Now, the biggest thing I can ever recommend for savings is to increase your income. You can only ever save in proportion to what you earn. So if you have a full-time job or a salary or a monthly income that's fixed, you need some sort of side hustle, as the kids would say, or some sort of side income that's going to help you increase your income. It does not matter how much you save if you never increase your income. You're always saving in proportion to what you earn. So if you go, well, I save 500 bucks a month. Well, if you can go from 5 grand a month in earnings to 10 grand a month in earnings, and you can save $2,000 every single month, you're going to end up a lot wealthier. So instead of focusing on the savings element, focus on increasing your earnings and then increase your savings in proportion to that.